Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Jay on the Segway. Look, check this out. If you're new to the channel and this ain't part one, I need you to get over there if you haven't seen it, all right? This is episode one. If you haven't seen episode one, get over there, find it, check it out before you watch this video so you kind of have an idea on what led up to this video. All right, so this video is going to be episode 2, road tripping with Rodney. Who the heck is Rodney? Rodney is my 2001 Honda CRV, all right? Decided to take a little road trip for vacation this year and took him out west, all right, from Kansas. All right, so we started in Kansas, and in this episode you guys are going to see some b-roll of me driving overnight. Now just to step back a little bit, I was working all day that Thursday that I left. I was driving my truck all day. I think I put about 728 miles on my truck, on my semi truck. Got home, I was like, let me start packing Rodney up. This was like in the evening hours of Thursday. Start packing him up, and by the time I got done packing him up, it was about midnight, a little after midnight, like 23 minutes after midnight. I was like, well, do I go to sleep and then start driving at 6-7 o'clock in the morning, or do I just hit the road? So guess what your boy did? Guess what your boy did? If you guess went to sleep, you're wrong. I got my butt right in Rodney and we hit the road, all right? Why I did that? One, I do this for a living. This is just kind of what I do. I drive. I could drive 30 something, 40 something hours. After something that long though, I would probably need to sleep. Anyways, we get in Rodney. We head all across I-70, as you guys can see in the video. We get to Colorado and stopped at an Office Depot. Got me a memory card. Met a guy named Michael in the Office Depot, really cool guy. Took his Facebook, blah blah blah. We started heading out west. We got on we started to head towards Independence Pass. You guys can see right here, I stopped by that town Leadville, or drove through the town Leadville with the 360 cam. Leadville is a really nice town. If I'm not mistaken, I think Leadville is the highest elevation town in the United States. How's that for some history? We got on Independence Pass. We took a bunch of pictures by a waterfall. I mean, I did everything this day, okay? Most of this episode was filmed with the Insta360 X3 camera. So shout outs to Insta360 for making such a pretty dope camera. The telemetry data in the videos, you get it from having the remote. They do have a remote that I do not have with me, or do I? Bam, this remote right here. This remote will work for the Insta360 X3 and the RS 1-inch. What is it? The RS1 1-inch, the one with the big 1-inch sensors. This remote, very simple way to connect this to the cameras. Once you get this thing connected to the cameras and you use this to turn the cameras on and to start recording with the cameras, just to make this a real quick little part of the video, this thing has a GPS module built into it, not the cameras. So you have to actually have this connected to the cameras, and then on the top right corner here, or your top left, I guess, as you guys would see it, on this corner of the screen would say it would say GPS, and then it'd have bars, sort of like your cell phone. When you have signal, you have 1 2 3 4 5 bars. You'll see the bars. That's when you know you have GPS signal. And then once that is there on the screen and this is connected to your actual camera, your camera will get GPS data feed going to the video. So then when you take the video off the camera and you put it on your laptop, computer, tablet, whatever you're going to use, and you're using the Insta360 app to edit the videos or to do an initial edit, you can click on the option for telemetry data and then it'll be on there. So you guys who do own the Insta360, I had one guy tell me that this was out of stock when he was looking. It's back in stock now, so go on ahead and get you some of that. And yeah, enough of that. So yeah, this video is basically me going from Kansas all the way to as far as this mountain in Colorado. I think it was called, let me see, I wrote it down here. It's called like the Lost Lake Campground. in Colorado. If you look that up on Google, you'll see where that is. We drove that far. That was like 800 and something miles total. I'm going to show you guys a relive video, and it won't be that long because I didn't think about starting that video until I was already in Colorado. So we missed a whole lot of miles off that day. But yeah, so that's what this video is about. So check it out, man. Take a look. All right, people, so we just got some fuel. We spent $28.61 for 12.6 gallons. That's not bad. I had $1 off for the gallon of fuel, so we cut the cost down quite a bit. Got myself a little cheeseburger here and one of those Riot energy drinks. Riot energy drinks is pretty good. They're not too bad. Got me some Smart Water. So first fuel stop. Let's go. Hey, what's up, y'all? So, it's the same day. Still rolling. We're gonna go on ahead and make this move. We're about to do the second stop on fuel. So far, I got 240 miles with 3/4 of the tank of fuel gone. So, I'm thinking somewhere around 300 miles. Anyways, yeah, man, we're still rolling. Still rolling. All right, people, so we just came from Office Max, got myself a notebook and a 256 gigabyte memory card. Why a 256 gigabyte memory card? Because I need somewhere to pull all my videos. In the meantime, in between time, let's get back on Interstate 70. Ain't trying to get no copyright strikes. Damn, y'all, I got my foot all the way down. Homie ain't got no power. I got him in second gear to rev out and everything. Golly. My man Rodney ain't got no power, boy. You load this bad boy up, he ain't got nothing in it. Let me tell y'all something. Last time I came up here, I was not acclimatized to this weather, to the elevation. I was out of breath, easily. Let's see if that happens this time. this is just a beautiful drive. I just got out of Gunningson National Park over here in Colorado. The highway I'm on is, I don't freaking know, Highway 133, Colorado 133. This is just, man. Hey, I want to give a shout out to Insta360. The footage you guys have been watching up until now has been on this Insta360 X3 model. I bought this camera because my GoPro Max, the lens broke, man. Dropped it, lens broke. I've attempted to fix it, epic fail. So I didn't feel like tampering with that any further, and I went on ahead and got me that Insta360 X3. And to be honest, guys, it is a much, I can't say it's a better camera. I can say it's a lot easier to use, and the software to edit your videos is a lot easier than GoPro's very own. I'll say that. Question. Can you camp out here?
Oh yeah.
What kind of wildlife do I need to worry about if I do camp out here?
Not really much.
No bears, nothing like
There
that?
are bears, but they're, if you don't leave no food out,
Right.
you don't leave no, your trash, you put it away.
Yeah.
There's no danger. Animals like deers, bears, they're not going to attack you.
Yeah.
So
they just
they
always
go
just looking
away.
around. Huh?
They go away.
Yeah.
So it's no. Moose, they attack if they have babies. And
that's if
same
I'm
with
outside.
bears. But without, they never attack you. They just go away.
We're gonna try to find ourselves a little spot to camp at for the night. Too bad they won't let you go there. I've seen a couple of spots I wouldn't mind tucking Rodney in, but they got them blocked off. They got like a little pole and a sign that says no camping. So might have to come down here in this corner and check it out. So we'll see here. Do I dare just drive down there? Nah. Imagine if that tree fell. What would be my exit plan? I wouldn't have one. So we're just gonna tuck Rodney right here and hope no trees fall on me. Well, that's interesting that the microphone is in the video picture. But anyways, the Insta360, right? I told you guys I bought it because my GoPro Max 360 broke, right? One of the lenses broke. So I went on ahead and I tried to fix it. It was an epic fail. I said, man, you know what? Let me just try another 360 camera. And I was back and forth between the X1 and this X3. Or is it the 1-inch sensor? That model. I was going back and forth between that one and this one. And I was like, man, which one should I get? Which one should I get? And then the only thing that sold me on this camera was the waterproof. That was it. Because the 1-inch sensor, Insta360, That one is splash proof, but like, let's just say I wanted to get some of the footage that I got today early in this video with the X1, it probably would have been ruined. So it was better that I got the X3 here, and it's working out. If you guys haven't seen, sorry, I had to get the Loom Cube set up so I have a little bit better lighting going on. If you guys haven't seen the Insta Go 3, that little tiny ass camera, that thing is nice, y'all. That's a really, I'm contemplating on getting one, and I really don't need it. I already have the Action 3 and the Hero 11, 10, 9, 11, 10, 9, and I think I have an 8. I don't need any more cameras. But that Go 3, that Insta Go 3 looks really, really nice. By the way, no one's paying me to say this, just in case you guys haven't figured out that no one's trying to pay me anything to do anything. Today was a beautiful day. It was great. I thank you guys for watching. I am mad tired. I told you guys I've been up for, it's about 38 hours straight now. So I'm gonna put this little video, or I did put this little video together, and I got my little fan up there, got my little window blinds. I don't have too much faith in them. They don't seem to be super secure, or secure enough for me not to want to roll my windows open, you know, crack them open a little bit. There's a lot of mosquitoes out here, so it took me a little bit of grace and efficiency to get in here before any bugs got in with the doors open and stuff. So anyways, thanks for watching. Episode 2 will be coming whenever it comes, okay? Because I don't know when episode 2 is coming. So what we're gonna do in episode 2 is I'm gonna do some off-roading, not hardcore off-roading, but you know, almost like mid-core roading, maybe soft to mid-core roading, because I'm in a CRV, for God's sake. I don't want to stress him out too much. So anyways, that's what tomorrow's going to consist of, and then I'll probably get out of the mountain areas and start heading west towards Utah, where there's going to be some slot canyons waiting for me to explore, waiting for you guys to watch. If you guys want to see that, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button so you're notified, or hit the notification bell after you subscribe, and then YouTube will let you know when those episodes are out. All right, so it's been a long day. Jay on the Segway. I'm gonna get this thing going on in case you guys are wondering. The CRV seats fold just about flat to make a bed. This backrest goes back more. I just have it sitting up so I could do the video. But yeah, we got a nice little setup going on in here, man. So without further ado, I'll see you guys episode 2. Peace.